Year 7 Pi question 17. A rectangle has width 10 centimeters and a length of 6 centimeters. Work out its area. Now you should know the formula to work out the area of a rectangle. You would do the length times the width. So we've got a length of 6 and a width of 10. So we've got to do 6 times 10. Our answer is going to be 60, and now because it's in centimeters, the units of area would be centimeters squared. Okay, question 18. Here is a piece of card in the shape of a rectangle. AB is a line of symmetry. So we can see that AB chops a rectangle in half, either side is identical and would reflect perfectly. We have to draw another line of symmetry on the rectangle. So for part A, it says draw another line of symmetry. Now a rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one which is vertical and one which is horizontal. So your other line of symmetry, you would use a ruler and a pencil just in case it goes wrong. It's probably safe to measure, or you can do it approximately where would be the middle. And then you can draw, whoops, what's going on here? So it'd be something like that for your second line of symmetry. That's part A. It tells us that AB splits a rectangle into two equal parts. Work out the area of one of these parts. So they're asking us to work out the area of, let's say, that side of the rectangle. So it's been cut in half. Now there's two ways you could do this. You could say because the total length there is 14, half of 14 would be 7. So I can work out the area of this rectangle by doing 7 times 6. Now if I worked out 7 times 6, I should get 42 centimeters squared. The alternative way would have been to do 14 times 6, which would have been 84, and then half of 84 would have been 42. Okay, question 19. The length of one side of a square is 24 centimeters. Work out the perimeter. Another one of those questions with no diagram. You've got to read it a couple of times to understand what's going on before you fully work it out. So it says the length of one side of a square is 24 centimeters. If I drew my own diagram, a square looks something like that. I know that one side is 24 centimeters. It wants me to work out the perimeter. Now if one side is 24, I know that a square has 4 equal sides. And the perimeter is the total length around the outside. So I've got to do 24 times 4, or 24 add 24 add 24 add 24 to work out the perimeter. So I'm going to go for 24 times 4. So 24 times 4, I'd break it up. So I'd do 20 times 4, which is 80. I'd do 4 times 4, which is 16. So altogether, 24 times 4 is 80 and 16, which is going to be 96. So the perimeter of this square would be 96 centimeters.